When headset start to creak, crack or make noises, they should be serviced. So today I am gonna show you how to service a threadless headset. Start off by loosening the bolt which secures the stem to the fork. Now loosen the pinch bolts. After loosening the pinch bolts, just remove the top cap. After you remove that, just pull the handlebars while keeping one hand on the spacers, or they will just fly around. After you remove the handlebars, carefully remove the spacers of the stereo tube. Keep a track of them. Now remove the bearings. If you haven't serviced your headset from a while, then they are gonna be dirty. Keep the spacers in an order so that you don't forget where they are. Now clean all the dirty areas in the headset. I am not removing the fork out of the headset. You can remove it. Now grease the lower bearing. If it's a tapered headset, then the lower bearing will be large and the upper bearing will be small. This adds to rigidity. Now insert the fork in the headset. Apply grease on the upper bearing. These are not seal bearings, so I can apply. After applying grease, put the bearing in the headset. Now start putting spacers in their order. Now put the handlebars on the stereo tube. Grease the bolt which secures the stem to the fork, and then tighten it down. You should apply grease because it will prevent the bolt from seizing in the fork. tighten the bolt. Now tighten the pinch bolts. Don't over tighten them. A stupid man in our local bike shop over tightened one bolt and missed him. So let it go. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.